तो सर वन वेरी मतलब बहुत लोगों को इस क्वेश्चन को लेके बहुत जल्दी है, विल वी एवर सी राहुल गांधी और सोनिया गांधी और मे बी रॉबर्ट वाड्रा behind bars for the many scams that their names have appeared in?
देखो, पॉलिटिक्स और सरकार दो अलग चीज़ें हैं। सरकार तलवारबाजी से नहीं चलती, दिमाग से चलती है, सबको साथ लेके चलती है। जब पेड़ बहुत बड़ा होता है, जैसे बरगद का पेड़ है, अगर आप उस पेड़ को काटोगे तो जो उसके आसपास का इकोसिस्टम है उसको भी ख़त्म करेगा। बिल्कुल, उसकी जड़ें इतनी फैली हुई।
राजीव गांधी ने कहा था ये बात।
ठीक है, उस पेड़ को ख़त्म करने का तरीका होता है उसकी जड़ों को सुखाना। पहले पत्ते गिरेंगे, फिर छोटी ब्रांचेस गिरेंगी, फिर बड़ी ब्रांचेस गिरेंगी, लेकिन आपका जो इकोसिस्टम उसके अराउंड है उसको मिनिमम डैमेज हो। कांग्रेस यही चाहती है कि परिवार से कोई जेल जाए। जिस दिन वो जेल गए कांग्रेस रिवाइव हो जाएगी, कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता।
कैसे सिंपैथी वेव से?
भाई, जिस देश में लोग राजीव गांधी को इसलिए वोट करते थे कि क्यूट है, हैंडसम है, आपको लगता है कि वो लोग ये भी सोच पाएंगे कि यार इसके पीछे राजनीति क्या थी या लॉजिक क्या था या रणनीति क्या थी? तो हिंदुस्तान में मेमोरी बहुत शॉर्ट होती है। मैं बस लोगों को यही कहूँगा, जो भी मोदी के फेवर में, ट्रस्ट हिम, ही इज़ नॉट डूइंग फॉर हिमसेल्फ। जो इंसान, जो राजनेता वोट के लिए राजनीति करता है या जिसके मन में जरा सी भी संशय वोट के लिए होती है, वो कभी डिमोनेटाइजेशन स्टेप नहीं उठाएगा। बहुत बड़ा गैम्बल था। अगर ये गैम्बल फेल हो गया होता, ये डिमोनेटाइजेशन 5 दिन 10 दिन में फेल हो गया होता, बहुत लोगों ने कोशिश करी, लाइन में लोग लगे, मार काट हो जाए, कुछ हो जाए, नहीं हुई। अगर हो जाती तो
निकल गया
तो मैं आप खुद बोल रहा हूँ, नरेंद्र मोदी अगले दिन रिजाइन कर देता,
सरकार गिर जाती।
यही वो लोग चाहते हैं। तो चिंता मत कीजिए, हर चीज़ एक प्रोसेस से होगी। भारत का प्रधानमंत्री पे विश्वास है, कम से कम 2019 तक तो रखूँगा। 2019 के बाद देखते हैं क्या रिजल्ट है, उसके बाद हम भी सवाल करेंगे। कब मना करेंगे? मैंने कहा ना, व्यक्ति बड़ा नहीं है, देश मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा है।
Sir, another area of interest that you have, as I have gathered from your handle on Twitter, is national security. What are your comments on the current situation and how it has been until 2014?
Till 2014, I would say, see, honestly, national security is something I should not, actually, I really don't want to make big comments on it.
Okay. जितना भी आप public के साथ share कर सकें.
But till 2014, it was compromised, I would say.
Okay.
It has been beefed up, still in the process. Loopholes are getting plugged, team is getting organized, better people on merit are brought in. As of today, I can say, rest assured, you are sleeping well.
Terrorist attacks have gone down.
Terrorist attack gone. Lot of things.
Naxalites have gone. Yes.
Lot of things.
Yes.
But eventually, I would say, nation is secure.
By and large.
By and large. Baki, you can check my Twitter. I think I have exposed lot of things on national security. Probably I should not talk about that on camera. You better read on Twitter.
I have read it too. And those who are interested can follow DRG Pradhan. So, sir, this is a question on Quora. There's a website, social website called Quora. What is the one thing that Indians are collectively doing wrong? I would like to pose that question to you. What is the one thing that we as Indians are collectively doing wrong, all of us?
We vote on caste, religion, and it is across the spectrum. I'm not saying Congress, SP, BSP, or I'm saying everyone. 5 years, 2 terms, just forget your caste and religion and just vote for nation. I'm saying your next 3 generation will be so thankful. We have faced the corruption. Our life, my half life is over. Now my professional life is getting over. I'm getting more into what my strategic consulting and advisory work is. But my son, his generation, they would be very thankful. So just get above caste and religion, and that is my humble request to, I think, everyone, not just Bhajpa, Congress, BS, everyone. You are a Hindu, be proud Hindu. You are a Muslim, be proud Muslim. Be proud Sikh. But at the end of the day, this is your motherland. We all have to protect it. That's it.
एंड सर आप इतने सारे प्रेडिक्शंस करते हैं, इतना डेटा लाते कहाँ से हो यार? Where do you get so much data from?
I have a very strong network, very credible network, who I call on social media unsung heroes. But beyond that, I don't think it's coming.
Your choice, your choice, professional choice. कोई न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन है आपका?
मैं एक सनातनी हूँ, हर दिन मेरे लिए नया है. हर दिन मेरे लिए एक रेजोल्यूशन ये होता है कि आज मैं कुछ खुद के लिए तो ज़रूर, पर समाज के लिए भी कंट्रीब्यूट कर दूँ. इसलिए मेरे लिए हेल्प नहीं होता. शायद ये मैंने स्कूल में सीखा था और अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज तक फॉलो कर रहा हूँ. इसलिए न्यू ईयर एक्सेप्ट दोस्तों के साथ पार्टी, फैमिली के साथ बैठने के अलावा और कुछ नहीं.
Sir, many people have insinuated, predicted, or guessed that you have political ambitions. So electoral politics, yes or no?
None.
I just want one word answer.
No as of today. Strongly no as of today.
As of today it's a conditional
मुझे
answer.
कल का नहीं पता. मैं कल सो के उठूँगा तो मैं कल के बारे में कैसे बोल सकता
I'll accept that.
हूँ. Right.
Yes, sir. Sir, there are some questions that I have from Twitter. Deepak Mehta has asked, I wanted to know your insights into the future on the future of IoT devices with respect to data science, if applicable. Internet of Things devices.
Data science is again, people don't understand data science. Data science is about mining of data, understanding data. But data had to be generated by devices. Now when you talk about IoT, Internet of Things, the first, what is Internet of Things? Connected devices. Right. I mean, I'm sitting here, I can switch on my air conditioner at my home. My air conditioner is linked to the network. I'm sitting here, my car starts and my heater switch on. That's internet. So you are adding almost 1 million, 2 million devices or equipments every month across the world. Problem with India is we don't have network.
Okay.
When we say 4G, what are the global parameters of 4G is? Minimum 50 Mbps per second.
We don't have it.
If you get 3, me.
I'm a lucky man.
I have a 4G phone and a 4G data card. If I get more than 1 Mbps, I'm dancing like.
Yes.
The fastest is in South Korea,
And what's the speed?
as per the standards. So, first network is required. We are not mining. In villages we still. That's the reason I always used to say, when you have payment gateways or the payment solutions, which after demonetization a lot of popped up, there is still the safest mode. Not safest, I would say. Yes, it is safest. But what is good for villagers, because they have those small phones, right? 600 rupees wale Nokia type.
No internet.
Without internet.
Bus phone, SMS, bus.
USSD based systems. So our penetration of data and penetration of internet is still not there.
Okay.
When you talk about IoT, the minimum benchmark should be 3G.
Okay.
Where is it? You go, just outside, forget about Delhi, Even, I mean, Central Delhi, just move out of Central Delhi, you won't get proper 3G.
Sir, for that.
Call drops
Very high.
still active. Roaming is still charged. It's a long road for India to go now.
A couple of more short answers. Anbay7 asks, can we have India's own version of Twitter with a crowdfunding model or a mass movement? Do you think
That is what I am searching, because I don't think crowdfunding is approved or allowed by Government of India. But architecture is ready with me. If I have 100 crores or somebody venture me, next 365 days we can have it Indian version. And I can guarantee you, much better than Twitter, much better than Twitter, with full precautions,
and safety?
safety, cyber, and most important, those people who run 200, 300 fake handles, and trust me, I know everyone,
Obviously.
right? Those fake handle will eliminate. It can't be.
That will be an unbiased version of
It would be very unbiased, authentic version ready. The problem is funding.
So Ms. Renuka Dubey asks, don't you think for making cashless India we need a robust infrastructure first?
She is right. You need a robust infrastructure, especially the connectivity. But to say cashless India, and here I am disputing with government, India can never be 100% cashless. It can only be cash minimum. The moment you talk about cashless 100%, you eliminate some very, very basic, sellers from the road.
The lowest threat of the
The
society.
lowest possible level of the people.
They're all
You can't do it. So it would be minimum cash,
less cash, not cashless.
yes, but
Okay.
100% not cash.
Not possible. And Mr. Vikas Malviya has asked, don't you think it is viable to abolish income tax and dynamically apply banking transaction tax in India? Dr. Subramanian Swamy has raised this question several times. What's your take on
When
that?
I don't, sometime on policy matter, I don't agree with Arvind sir. I have the right to not also to agree with Swamy sir. I'll just close with one line. कोई भी चीज़ हिंदुस्तान में फ्री मिलती है ना, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती। टैक्स ज़रूरी है, लेवल बढ़ना चाहिए, टैक्स कम होना चाहिए, अफोर्डेबल होना चाहिए। दूसरी चीज़, हिंदुस्तानी कभी टैक्स देने से पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। अगर हम उन्हें ये बताएं कि उनके टैक्स के पैसे का यूटिलाइजेशन,
कहाँ हो रहा है?
अगर मेरे घर के आगे की सड़क में गड्ढे ही गड्ढे हैं, स्ट्रीट लाइट चलती नहीं है, पानी गंदा आता है, म्युनिसिपल सर्विस प्रॉपर नहीं है, मैं हमेशा कहूँगा मैं टैक्स क्यों दे रहा हूँ। लेकिन यही मेरा अगर वर्ल्ड क्लास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मुझे दोगे तो मेरे को क्या दिक्कत है आपको थोड़े पैसे देने में। इसलिए फ्री का माल मेरे ख्याल से टैक्स देखते हैं क्या होता है।
सर आपने
बाकी
अपने मन से क्लोज कर दिया, मैं क्लोज नहीं करने दूंगा। आई कैनॉट लेट यू लीव द प्लेस until you give me one prediction that I cannot find on your Twitter timeline. कुछ एक prediction बताइए, what do you think will happen when you, बस एक prediction, एक लाइन में बता दीजिए बस।
गौरव प्रधान could be a politician.
Very well said, sir.
Thank you very much.
I'll take your leave now.
Thanks.
चलिए चाय पीते हैं।